Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix Roblox player not launching, or basically your Roblox app or on your browser it is not launching whenever you try to go ahead and play a game. I'll show you guys on how you can do this, so let's get into it. So the first thing to do to try is go ahead and clear your browsing data here in the settings. And you just have to go ahead and say clear browsing data, and you just have to catch image and files and also cookies and other sites, browsing history, and clear the data. But if that does not work guys, then it is probably this. That is because you have a third-party apps open in your background. So for this one, as stated here in the forums, that the recent update of Roblox detects your third-party apps as a cheater or exploiter for the game. So that is why you are having this issue. So to be able to solve that, you just have to right click on the app itself. So for example, the MSI Afterburner is one that is mentioned here, and also the RTSS or River Tuner Statistics Server. So be sure to keep a note on the apps on the Roblox forums. You just have to right click for this, for example, and just hit on quit. Or for example, in this one, right click and exit or quit. So there guys, that is how you can basically do this. Once done with that, you can now try to go ahead and play any game that you want, and that should work. So okay guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.